All right, Bill, what are we doing?
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Well, I got the old CRF quad out here. I haven't rode a quad and I don't know. I'll figure out when the last time was. I'll insert a clip. It was probably a good time. I'll probably miss whatever quad I was on in the video. But we got one right here. It's a dirt bike converted into a four-wheeler. I'm super pumped to try it. So today we're gonna do some testing, see how the suspension feels. I wanna see how the geometry is on the tie rods and how our steering stem is. We got the drone out, I got the chest cam. So I think this guy's gonna get some good shots and that's obviously gonna kill it. So we'll see what happens.
Do it. How's you feel?
Feels all right. Feel the ground. It's rough out here.
Yeah, it's all hard packed.
But it's a good place to test. You're gonna find your flaws in rough terrain.
Okay, cool shot.
Anything feels good on a smooth groove motocross track, you take it out here to actually test the bike. Cool shots, man.
What'd you bring today, Drew? What do you got? You got your Polaris Express.
We got a Polaris Express 300 and a KO 230.
Nice.
Super trail riding today.
That's okay. It's all fun.
This little bike's pretty sweet
I
too.
like it. It's cool.
Yeah.
go over that hill, down the other hill, take a right and a left, and then up another hill, and that's where we're gonna get some shots.
Right, left, up, down.
My beautiful wife's gonna do the same thing. She's gonna go over that hill and off to that other side and get your shots over there.
Okay.
It's gonna be here, there, and everywhere.
It's fine. Had my fun. It's time for Drew to take this thing for a rip. This thing is a freaking blast. We're just doing bolt checks. We're gonna go out and test it again and see how she does. Go for it, dude. Fun, right?
So much fun.
Take it to a motocross track next. See how she does. Yeah.
The crazy thing was coming through those bumps and just having to eat everything.
Yeah.
Like, I'm cruising around here in the Polaris.
I know, you can't even.
Yeah, so it's like.
You can't really go from that to that and then say that's, you know,
Yeah.
you're gonna have
like,
all this.
It's a
all things you're gonna have.
Yeah, this like it eats up all the big holes and chop like nothing.
What it reminds me of is my old KTM 450 race quad. It's more comparable to that than even my TRX or my Yamaha.
It's amazing how stable it stays in the rough stuff.
Just has that dirt bike power, which we all love.
It's aggressive.
We're in I think the higher map right now too,
Yeah.
so we could actually tone it down, but it's not overheating. I mean, we're in Arizona. It's like being on the surface of the sun, and not overheating, no drips. God damn, it's working good.
Oh, man, this
So
is fun.
we'll get it back to the shop, go through everything. I guess plan another day to go to a track and
Yeah.
jump this thing. You guys can see what the soil's doing to the tire. Maybe that was the race last night. I don't know. I think the soil's probably a little harder on it here, riding on rocks. So much fun. Dude, James is back. Second video of the week.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
You know, doing it.
Like you're having some fun over here. Want to come join?
Exactly. You gonna try out this CRF450R?
Oh, don't tempt me with a great time.
Why does it have an aluminum frame though?
You know what? Because it's secretly a dirt bike. Don't tell people that. right?
Exactly.
Just don't. It's secretly.
I mean, kids knew yesterday when the adult fit.
I know. That's the funny part about it too. Is they see the wide aluminum frame, just like instant dead giveaway from some people. Paying attention.
If you're paying attention.
I say you gotta be paying attention on this one. It feels and looks like a proper quad.
It's a quad. Dude, it's like we're on top of the moon right now.
Yeah, I know.
Just big old boulders hanging out. No, yeah, I know, right?
We got some air.
That was crazy. He likes this thing. I think he's sold on it.
Holding up pretty good though.
I know, dude. Everything we did is working pretty damn good. Pretty damn happy with it.
Maybe one of them Milwaukee helmet coolers.
Yes.
Tucker rep had yesterday.
We gotta get the Tucker up out here.
We gotta get the Tucker up.
I want to see his opinion on this thing.
That man was wild yesterday.
That's crazy.
Where's he from?
Russell's a wild man.
Is he from Arizona?
I think either there or California, but he's a wild man.
He just pops in, makes jokes about stinky feet and putting deodorant on your nuts and all kinds of things.
Exactly.
All he said is, this channel better not be rated PG-13.
That was the best intro ever.
That was the best intro ever.
So you like it?
Absolutely in love.
Awesome.
Way too insane how comfortable it is and how normal it feels.
I know, dude. It's weird.
Sad thing is, it feels like it's meant to be.
I know.
Absolutely meant to be.
I want to get it out in the sand, but first we're take it to a track, and
Oh, it's gonna eat the track.
I can't wait.
Take it to Motorland, take it to Bowie.
Dude, Blake wants to ride this thing on the track. I don't know how I feel about it, but I think he'll kill it.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see
Where
if
to find out.
pro dirt biker can send it. Well, guys, we had a lot of fun ripping this thing. We didn't put a whole lot of time on it, but we got to get it out, test it. We're gonna take it back to the shop, do some tweaks, and hopefully take it to a track next time. So stay tuned for the next video. If you guys like race quads, comment. Definitely subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next one. Would not be a quad test without jumping a Polaris here.
Dude, this thing's worse than an AC250 with fucking pogo sticks.
Come on, you love this thing. It's an awful thing when you haven't rode a quad in quite a while. I still haven't figured out the date. It had to be at least a couple years since I rode one, but grew up riding quads. Tons of fun today. This is the best part of Arizona. Just got a little dust on here. I'm gonna get this thing hosed off and put away for the night. I'm gonna get some rest and get back to work tomorrow. A little roundup action. You don't want to put a roundup on there?
Oh, I thought I grabbed the wrong. There's two.
Do we get straight into the roundup?
You need a Custodilly. I need one too. I think she's grilling tonight, thank God.
We don't wash them now, we're not gonna do it.
Well, we don't have time to do it.
No.
That's the shitty thing.
No.
We only got time to weld and barely take a piss.
Yeah. Don't have that. That's why we only have one bathroom.
One bathroom, there's really no time to go hang out. It's good just to get the shit off them. She's a brand new bike, so keep it looking, man. Got a little scuffage going on. I like squeezing those frames when I'm riding. That's how you get rid of the arm pump. Squeeze the frame. Alright, give this one a rinsey. I don't know. I like this little handle here. We're gonna start a tool review channel and do a review on this. I got the quick switch. Got the multi-flex head.
One day we're gonna come out with our Ventec parts too. If anyone has Ventec,
exactly.
Parts for you.
We're just rambling. Been in the sun too long today.